What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the latest live streaming technology with groundbreaking AI Coco.
English or Spanish?
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you?
Whether you're a content creator, a professional streamer, or just passionate about capturing high quality video, AI Coco has something for you. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the features that make AI Coco stand out. First up, let's talk about wireless live streaming. Gone are the days of being tethered by cables and cords. AI Coco's on-air wireless live streaming capabilities means that you can stream from virtually anywhere, whether you're indoors, outdoors, or on the move. Imagine you're at a bustling event, a scenic location, or even just moving around your studio. With AI Coco, you can seamlessly stream to multiple platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. At the same time, you can use this as well on OBS and any RTMP connection. This flexibility is a game changer for creators looking to reach a broader audience without being limited by their setup. Now let's delve into AI Coco's wireless 4K camera. This isn't just any camera, it's a powerhouse. With the ability to capture stunning 4K footage, your audience will experience every detail in crystal clear quality. And the best part, it's completely wireless. So you can connect to your phone, you can connect to a PC or Mac without even tethering at all, without connecting any cables at all. This wireless 4K camera is perfect for multi-camera live streaming setups. You can switch between different angles and perspectives effortlessly, providing a dynamic viewing experience for your audience as well. Plus, the camera's small and compact design, that means that you can easily set it up anywhere without being in the way. Now, of course, you can connect this via wired setup using USB-C. AI Coco also offers a USB 4K camera connection. Again, you can connect this with your PC or Mac using USB-C. This is ideal for those who need a stable, high quality connection directly to their computer or streaming devices. The USB 4K camera ensures that you get the same high quality 4K footage as its wireless counterpart. But of course, we all love reliability of the wired connection. It's perfect for desktop streaming, video conferencing, and any other scenarios where stable connection is crucial. Now, let's not forget about video recording. Of course, you can use the AI Coco OnAir by itself. AI Coco's cameras are equipped with 4K 30 frames per second recording capabilities using a 1/8 sensor from Sony. It delivers 8-bit color and it's capable of HDR. This means your recordings will be vibrant, detailed, and professional grade. Whether you're recording for later editing or capturing moments live, AI Coco's on-air video recording feature ensures you never miss a beat. And with the heat resistance up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and water resistance up to IPX4, you can record in challenging environments without even worrying about your equipment. Now, this is a test for the AI Coco on air. I'm live streaming straight from my from the device. I've set it up on my phone, the Wi-Fi, and also the live streaming credentials. I logged into it, and this is just a test of the mic as well. So let me know what you think of the quality and also the mic quality. We're gonna try to walk around here while live streaming and see how bad the frame rate is. Walk around. Let's go outside. And see how well it does. Cool, right? Yeah. Let's go. Very nice, very nice. We also have the stabilization on right now. So that's very useful. So what do you think? Now let's recap the advantages of the on-air AI Coco system. It has a multi-streaming platform, which means that you can stream to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook simultaneously using wired or wireless connection via OBS or any RTMP connection. You can reach your audience wherever they are. It's great for multi-camera live streaming, which you can easily switch between multiple 4K cameras wirelessly for a professional and dynamic streaming experience. It has a swappable battery design as well, where you don't need to worry about running out of power midstream. You can swap the battery on the go, and it gives you up to 240 minutes of battery life each time, ensuring that you can keep going as long as you need. It has great heat and water resistance as well, with heat resistance up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and water resistance up to IPX4. AI Coco's On Air is built to withstand tough conditions. Again, don't forget the high quality recording up to 4K 30 frames per second with an advanced Sony sensor, providing stunning detail and color accuracy. And I love its compact design. The small and compact design makes AI Coco on air easy to transport and set up no matter where you're streaming from. Now, there you have it. The AI Coco is truly a revolution in live streaming and video recording technology. With its wireless capabilities, high quality 4K cameras, and robust design, it's the perfect tool for any content creator or professional streamer. Now, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who might benefit from this incredible technology. Until next time, happy streaming. Now, of course, for more information, visit AI Coco's website on the description below and follow us on social media. See you soon.